Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This just got delivered to me, registered mail from Rocky Mountain Coin in Denver, Colorado. Whenever I went on vacation last week, I saw this coin in the coin shop. Absolutely had to have this coin. They have a weird tax thing though, so in order for me to actually have taken it the same day, it would have cost me an additional $170. Instead, I opted for them to send it to me registered mail, which only cost me $30. Just want to let you know the coin that's in here, I actually am super surprised that I was actually able to find it. Truly never thought that I would actually have a coin with this pedigree, which really just, the pedigree is just shows that it belonged to a certain person's collection. Normally to have a pedigree, you have to be, either have a one of the top coin collections within the, say NGC, if you have like in the registry, if you have one of the top in there, they'll allow you to do a pedigree. To add the pedigree to the coin costs you an additional $5, so I heard something like that. But the pedigree that I found, for a true coin collector, it's a name that probably any one of you should really be able to quickly identify and know. But I'm super excited. Let's stop talking. Let's go ahead and jump into this. There is only one coin in here, and the fact that they, this nice big box, made sure that, actually here it is, very nice, that I definitely wrapped it up where there was definitely not going to be anything wrong with the coin whenever I received it. Alright, let's go ahead and put that to the side. And let's remove the paper real quick. I'm going to go ahead and hide all the other information, but Rocky Mountain Coin, that's their information. You guys can go ahead and check them out. I'm pretty sure they have a website. Yep, actually right there. You guys can see it. So, go ahead, check it out. Alright. Now for the coin itself. Alright, you can see that it is a seated half. You can see that it is a proof. There's another area in the house that I'll be able to get the color a little bit better. I'll add that video in at the end, because there is definitely some purple towards the top. And oh man, I'm so excited. Alright, let's go ahead and flip it over. There it is. Eliasberg. 1880 Eliasberg, proof 66. Man, that is pretty. Now I think it said that it was in a population of 12. I think I'll have to check it again, but I think the top pop on this one is a proof 67. A lot of people, whenever I showed pictures of it, I'm not actually seeing it right now as much, but they were saying get it checked for cameo. You can see it a little bit. If it came back proof 66 cameo, it would also be top pop. So it's definitely up there. Eliasberg, very famous for putting together the first and only full set of dates and mint marks of every US coin up until his time. And he was exceptionally known for acquiring some of the better condition-wise ones. So not surprised with this being a proof 66. Super lustrous coin, beautiful. Again, I'll submit another video to show you the color on the reverse. But I am super happy to have this in my collection. Yeah, I can see it there. All right. Well, again, thank you guys for checking it out, and I'll see you guys soon.